All right, so we're going to show you how to play Christmas Must Be Tonight by the band. Now, I've gone over this before, but there's a G to an E minor transition in this song. So if you normally play your E minor, it's kind of that stair step chord, 1, 2, 3 fingers on the second, third, and fourth fret of the first, second, and third string. Don't do it that way. Play a regular G and take your pinky finger and put it on the fourth fret of the third string for your E minor. So it's going to go G, E minor, G. You're just going to lift that pinky finger up and down to do your G to E minor transitions. All right, so let's go ahead and show you how to play this song.
Swaddling, oh, the Prince of Peace. The wheels start turning, torches start burning, and the wise men journey from the east. Our little baby boy bring the people so much joy, son of a carpenter. Mary carried the light. This must be Christmas, must be tonight. Shepherd on a hillside, where over my flock I abide. On a cold winter night, a band of angels sing. It's the end of the beginning, praise the newborn King. Our little baby boy, bring the people so much joy, son of a carpenter. Mary carried the light. This must be Christmas, must be tonight. I saw it with my own eyes, written up in the skies. But why a simple herdsman such as I? And then it came to pass, he was born at last, right below the star that shines on high. Our little baby boy, people so much joy, son of a carpenter. Mary carried the light. This must be Christmas, must be tonight. Son of a carpenter, Mary carried the light. This must be Christmas, must be